This video is a total game changer because today I'm unveiling the ultimate automation secret. Once you discover this, your approach to brainstorming YouTube videos will never be the same. If growing on YouTube has ever felt like a struggle, this method will revolutionize how you create content. I'm about to demonstrate how you can effortlessly clone any YouTube channel or creator in just minutes using a single powerful AI tool. Google has essentially transformed YouTube automation with this breakthrough. This secret AI tool allows you to produce explainer videos with just one click. But it's not merely another video generator, it's a full-fledged content factory that can crank out over 30 videos in an hour. It's a complete powerhouse for automating YouTube channels. With this tool, replicating any channel is as simple as a single click. This isn't about copying, it's about adopting the same strategies big media companies use, analyzing what works and building systems around it. That's the real key to winning with YouTube automation. Today, I'll walk you through the entire setup step by step and show you how to create videos in minutes instead of hours. Let's dive in. Check out this channel, we're going to clone it today. This channel pulls in millions of views and is already monetized. We'll see how to replicate it using a free Google tool that most creators don't even know exists. Looking at this channel, it uses simple stick figure slides paired with AI-generated voiceovers. According to Social Blade, it earns roughly up to $1,200 on average. This channel is super easy to clone using the method I'm about to share. The tool we'll use to automate this is Google NotebookLM. When running faceless or automated channels, the toughest part is editing, specifically figuring out what to say. NotebookLM solves this by helping you reverse engineer any YouTube channel's ideas, scripts, structure, and hooks, all for free. In a moment, I'll show you how to clone any favorite channel using this Google AI. Start by heading to Google NotebookLM. This is the main interface. Pay close attention because the next step is crucial for getting the results we want. First, open NotebookLM and click Create New. While it opens a new notebook, open the YouTube channel you want to replicate. For me, it's this channel. Next, copy 10 to 15 video links from that channel and save them in a document. Then, go back in NotebookLM, click Add Resources, scroll to YouTube, and paste the links. Let the tool process the sources fully. You can also add blogs, text samples, or PDFs, whatever helps refine your scripts and data to perfectly clone the channel. This feature alone makes NotebookLM worth trying because YouTube penalizes content that's 100% AI-generated scripts, voices, visuals, resulting in monetization warnings. NotebookLM is safe since it provides factual data based on your sources. Name your notebook to keep things organized. I'm calling mine Clone of World in Numbers channel. Our goal is to replicate this channel and launch our own. Go to ChatGPT and ask it to analyze the sources to understand the niche, script style, titles, and tone. I keep these prompts in a Google Doc. Look at this. It gives a full overview of the channel's successful patterns, topics, scripts, hooks, and calls to action. The first step in building a channel is naming it. Continue the chat and ask for 10 channel name ideas fitting this niche. See how it generates detailed, niche immersive suggestions. This depth is what sets it apart from ChatGPT's surface-level responses, which is why many automation channels fail to grow. But not you. I'm here to provide practical, growth-focused sessions. Pick a name you like. I chose one, and then ask for 10 video ideas for that channel. Instead of brainstorming manually, NotebookLM delivers precise, viral-ready video topics with brief descriptions. This is automation at its finest. Now for the real magic. Copy one video idea and create a new notebook. Title it with your video name, add resources by pasting the idea, then click Video Overview on the sidebar. Select your video specs and hit Generate. While it's working, pick your second video topic and repeat the process. With the free plan, you can create 3 videos daily. By using multiple email accounts, you can easily generate a month's worth of content for free. Our video is ready. Let's see what it produced.
All right, let's talk about the Great Pyramid of Giza. You've seen the pictures, you know the story. Or do you? Today, we're going to look at one of the most famous structures on Earth in a completely new light. We're tossing out the history books for a moment to dive into a fascinating and pretty radical alternative theory. Let's jump in. So for as long as we can remember, the story has been the same. This massive monument was built as a tomb for a pharaoh, right? But what if it wasn't? What if its real purpose was something way more complex? Something, well, technological?
That's our first video. Here's the second.
Have you ever heard a story that just completely breaks your brain? One that seems to defy the very laws of physics as we know them? Well, get ready, because we're about to dive into an absolutely fascinating account from 1939, a tale of sound, stone, and a feat that modern science says just shouldn't be possible.
I mean, seriously, can sound defy gravity? It's a wild question, right? Sounds like something straight out of a movie, but according to one incredible eyewitness,
The video quality is incredible and the voiceover is top-notch. This is how you run a fully monetizable automation channel with just one AI tool. Start your channel today and tap into YouTube ad revenue. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments. I'll personally help each of you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this amazing discovery because sharing is caring. See you in the next video. Thanks so much and good luck.